Class 8th student, open your science book. In science, in previous video, you have studied action of bases on metals. You remember? Now in this video, today, we will read displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? Before we discuss displacement reaction, let's first understand the reactivity series of the metals. Reactivity series, all metals are in a series of their according to their reactivity. This series is called reactivity series. In this reactivity series, the most reactive metal is replaced at the top, where the least reactive metal is placed at the bottom. Here are the reactivity series. Pay attention on the board. K, potassium. Na, sodium. Ca, calcium. Mg, magnesium. Al, aluminium. Zn, zinc. Fe, ferrous, any iron. Pb, lead. Like this, observing this series, we know that K is the most reactive metal. K is the most reactive metal, and beneath K there is sodium. It is less reactive than potassium, and like this, calcium is less reactive from sodium, and magnesium is less reactive from calcium, and aluminium is less reactive from magnesium. It is reactivity series. What do we learn about this series? इस सीरीज से हम क्या सीखते हैं? We know that about this series, from this series we know that more reactive metals displace the less reactive metals from their solutions. Here देखिए, a more reactive metals can displace a less reactive metal from its salt solution. The reaction is termed as displacement reaction. For examples, copper sulfate is a solution of copper. It reacts with ferrous iron. You observe the reactivity series, you find that Fe is more reactive than Cu. Fe and Cu. Here Fe is more reactive than Cu. Then this equation goes FeSO4 plus Cu. You can observe that Fe displacement displace copper. Fe displace copper from copper sulfate solution. It is copper sulfate solution. Name copper sulfate solution. Fe, any iron, displace copper from its solution and made ferrous sulfate and copper. ये प्रोडक्ट हो गया. तो इस प्रकार से आपने एग्जांपल देखा डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन का, जिसको इसमें एक जो अधिक रिएक्टिव मेटल होता है वो कम रिएक्टिव मेटल को वहां से डिस्प्लेसमेंट कर देता है और उसके स्थान पर खुद जाता है. वन मोर एग्जांपल, Mg plus CuSO4. Here copper sulfate solution react with magnesium. Observe the reactivity series. You find that Mg is more reactive than copper. Then it displaces the copper. MgSO4 plus Cu. I hope you are understand easily the displacement reaction. One more example. If we reverse this solution, magnesium MgSO4 react with copper. What will be the product? Think what will be the product? Is such that CuSO4 plus Mg? No. Magnesium is more reactive than copper. Then copper cannot displace magnesium from magnesium sulfate. Means no reaction. No reaction. Understand? तो विद्यार्थियों आज का ये था आपका डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. आई होप आप लोग समझ गए होंगे कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन क्या होता है और आपको इसको लर्न करना है. इसके बाद ये याद रखिएगा रिएक्टिविटी जो सीरीज है उसको लर्न कर लीजिएगा आप लोग. और हियर आर सम कंपाउंड गिवन एंड देयर नेम, केमिकल फार्मूला एंड नेम. MgO मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड, Na2O सोडियम ऑक्साइड, ZnO जिंक ऑक्साइड, Fe2O3 आयरन ऑक्साइड. आपको ये भी लर्न करना पड़ेगा. इसमें आपको क्वेश्चन में दिया जाएगा, केमिकल फार्मूला रहेगा, नेम बताना पड़ेगा, नेम दिया रहेगा, केमिकल फार्मूला लिखना पड़ेगा. तो आप लोग इसको लर्न कर डालेंगे और आपको अब अगला केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ नॉन मेटल आप अगली वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे.